Good morning, students. Today I am explaining global warming. What is global warming? Global means the whole earth. Global means the whole earth. When the temperature increases on the earth, means such condition the temperature increases on the earth, and due to increasing temperature, the temperature means heat body holds in our atmosphere, and by the temperature of the earth increases due to the means more and more, much and more, much sufficient, more than sufficient heat temperature that is come from the different type of gases. So due to it, global warming takes place. Means in the global warming, this is earth, this is our atmosphere. When the level of carbon dioxide gas, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, methane and other types of harmful gases that increases, so after increasing level, it absorbs, all the gases absorb heat energy from the sun. After that, it gets heated, our atmosphere gets heated, and due to it also make an effect on earth, and temperature that get reflected in the atmosphere from the rocks on the earth, it also holds in our atmosphere, and all the gases, harmful gases like CO2, that gas absorb the temperature on the earth that comes from the sun. So due to the temperature holds in our atmosphere, and from the holding temperature our earth gets heated. So due to harmful gases, the temperature on the earth increases, and it is very harmful for human beings also, for animals also. By and by, temperature increases from the normal range, and it goes as more than 50 degrees Celsius. That temperature is not bearable for human beings also and for animals also. So many animals and human beings also get death, and different types of the dry region also appear on the earth. So in this way, global warming is very harmful for the earth, and it only happens due to the increased amount of the harmful gases that absorb the temperature and increases the temperature of the earth, and the heat energy that comes from the sun onto the earth, it never goes to out of atmosphere. So due to increased level of the gases that absorb the heat energy, and it make an effect on earth that temperature increases. Due to increased temperature, the warm effect, means heat effect, comes on the earth, and it is called global warming. So for the global warming, the responsible factors are CO2 means carbon dioxide, CO means carbon monoxide, and NO2 nitrogen dioxide, and methane. So they are harmful gases. Next topic as what is water pollution? What is water pollution? Water pollution is the stage in which, when the potable water or clean water that gets damaged or dirty by the unwanted materials or substances, it is called water pollution. That unwanted substances comes through factories, different types of the domestic industries, and from home sewers also. As you know, when you clean your clothes, you use washing machine, you directly use your by hand and you wash. That detergents when comes through the sewers and it goes to any here, it also absorbed by the rocks. Means that water when collects, it is also absorbed by the rocks and go inside the earth. And when we take by hand pump or other types of the tubewell system, so then that time that water is not potable because harmful substances from the detergents also goes into the earth. Means that is the water that comes from the earth, we can get that water by hand pump, by tubewell system. In this way, from factories, different substances in the liquid form, it comes and mix with the water and make the water polluted. So in this system, water pollution, it is very broad level, happens in the worldwide, and there are different causes. So I will explain on the next day. So today you study global warming and water pollution definition and some causes, and also you use study as page number 77. It is given on page number 77. And you also prepare for examination. It may be possible the examination may be start after 15 August. For today's class, thank you.